Well, what a morning it has been already. We were up at 6 o'clock this morning, as usual. So, welcome to the vlog, because, well, power went out. I was editing a video, and it corrupted the video. So now I got to take apart some stuff, just so I can reshoot that part of the video, so I can finish the video. Yeah. So, well, today's video will be delayed. Well, of course, because, well, it's corrupted, and now we got to redo some of it. So that's a bummer. It is what it is, but we'll figure we'll just... I want to start the vlog thing for a minute, just to kind of get it going, pull you guys into the day of a life of a miner, right? Not always mining, but most of the time, all the time, my life revolves around mining at this point in time in my life. So, with that being said, the power went out, and, well, I got some stuff that I gotta go reset, so I figured, well, now's the time, if any, to start doing this vlog thing, right? Now I just gotta, like, be able to keep my camera on my face. I'm buying a new gimbal. I like this one, but the new one will actually allow me to like AI track my face. So that'd be kind of cool. But here we are. I gotta go outside and, well, make sure the chickens are okay and move their food. There's my helium and my chirp machine. So, guys, what is up? Hope you're all doing well. Try and get ourselves over here. I don't even know where my chickens went. They're somewhere here in the yard. I don't even know where they went. I bet they're in the front yard. So, freaking chickens. Gotta love them, man. It's a perfect shot. Come on, chickens. As you can see, it rained quite a bit. Here comes the hood rats. Alright. Well, now the chickens are rounded back up, it's time to get back to the mining stuff, right? So, into the well house we go. Alright, so we just need to give things a little reboot. Sometimes these machines, I'll turn this one off for a second so that way y'all can actually hear me. And then we gotta reboot the S19. Alright. There's that. That'll get the S19J Pro back up. Turn the nodes back on. Those are good. Those are good. This is off. Gonna turn this back on. That's good. That's good. Currently 36 degrees Celsius in here. I cannot get this thing to switch to Fahrenheit. I'm not sure. Vega, if you're watching this, how do you switch that? I would love to know. That switch is lit, man. Like, I have 2 dead ports right there, or 2 and 14 are dead. I have 2 spots open. 1 spot is for the other E100 that's coming. And then, yeah, That thing's all filled up. Well, those are back up and going. Those are on. So we're up to 17.79 amps, and that'll probably should reach about 20, honestly, around 25 to 26. Like, we are pushing the limit of this 30 amp breaker. But, yeah. Summer is here. Right, so those are good. I'm gonna give you all a little gist of in here. I love this thing. Yeah, there's the 110 breaker, which has like the switch, the other switch, the exhaust fan. There goes all my workers, just came online, and then there's that right there. So, woo-wee. And one. There we go. Slowly ramping up. I say slowly, but those fans are so loud. I don't know what keeps going on with this one. Number 6 just refuses to boot sometimes. It's like it comes on and then it just gets stuck. So I'm unsure why 6 does that. I'm sure. If any of you guys in the comments know, put it in the comment below. Because the Ethernet port isn't even lighting up. But there it is right there. That's the one I just unplugged. We plugged it back in, and that's good. But we don't see it here. It's me pressing the button. Oh, see, there we go. It took like takes a couple reboots before the light will come back on. But that light will probably stay red, while the rest of them are green. So, something's probably for sure wrong. Yep, see, there we go. Whew. Yeah, because right now that machine pulls like 2,400 watts as it sits. The beginning of the video that I got to re-edit was building out the whole fan kit. So, yeah. We were going to swap that, but it's currently pouring rain. Well, it was. So we'll see how that goes for the rest of the day. But let's get back inside. Well, all right. Well, we are back here in the office. So we are going to go ahead and sign out for the day. Now we can get some work done now that internet's up, power's up, stopped raining for now. We got a bunch of storms this week, so hopefully everything stays good and golden. And, well, hope you'll have a fantastic rest of your day. We'll catch you on the next one. Much love. Peace out. Remember, guys, stay savage. Let me know if you like these vlog style videos. We'll see how they kind of go. We'll have more coming out as we do more mining related stuff that takes up our day. So, peace.